Hi everyone, my name is Karen Lisette Ortegas Cuntar. I am studying licenciatura en lenguas extranjeras con énfasis en inglés at UNAT University. For this opportunity, I am going to talk about my fairy tale, Beautiful Princess. Once upon a time, there was a princess named Dana who impressed the entire kingdom with her beauty, whom her father wouldn't let out because they called her. Her father always repeated to her, Dana, don't go out, because the previous week the neighbors told me that there is a very ugly witch who wants to steal your beauty. Rumors are heard every day. One morning, his father got up early and went to town to shop at market. He had in mind to return very soon. But Princess Diana, taking advantage of the moment, called the princess and she told him that she had escaped to meet at the lighthouse near to the castle. The princess felt that someone was following her. Scared, she began to run under some trees and shouted, Help! Help! Someone wants to hear me. Immediately the witch told her, Don't scream, do not fear. I am a poor old woman, and I wanted to ask if you know a town called Assis. The princess calmed down and replied, Don't worry about that direction. I don't know what the way very well, but I will accompany you. Look out! When we look at the end of this cross, we will cross to the left. I think it is the way. The witch, with her sad face, said that she is sick and asked her to accompany her. The princess accepted and decided to accompany. While walking and they were moving, the princess thought of returning because it was the only opportunity to meet her prince. The prince was concerned about Dana's lightness. He was standing by. He thought, Dana, you said you could me meet, yes. I better go home. Dana's father had a bad feeling and he was just in the town of Assis. So he decided to return. Meanwhile, the witch was happy because she will soon come home and give her the poison and finally steal her beauty. Luckily, her father met her on the road and said, Dana, go back to the castle as soon as possible. What are you doing here? You said that you will be there. It's dangerous. I'll stay with the old woman. The father knew that it was a trick of the witch. She ran down the road of the castle as fast as she could. Before the witch acts and converts again, the father, with scarlet magic pocket in his pocket, threw it at her so that the witch will lose her powers. He shouts, Witch, I found you! The witch yells, No, this can't happen to me. And the witch never come back. The end. Thank you so much.